Check out this 2011 Buick Regal. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include front-wheel drive, navigation from telematics, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, power windows, leather seats, climate control, and aluminum wheels. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.